Okay guys, now it's me. So here I am up here and Rainy Kitty's right there. Over here. She's coming for y'all. She's coming.
I like this Sonic.
Oh, I'm switching sides. Okay guys, we're switching sides.
Yes,
Here's
one
me
is
and
sad.
here is Pinky Cashmere. I like
Okay, what's the
me
apple?
on this side because I like to go where she jumps around me. Guys, I'm gonna have to put her back up here, guys. So maybe facing this a sack. So yeah, my eyes are brown in the camera, but okay, guys, I'm going down. Well, okay, I'm down, guys.
Alright, is the taxes still the same?
I jumped down, so.
It just says,
Okay.
okay.
Guys, I don't know if you can see her up there. I think you can. Guys, up ceiling for a second. When I get up, okay, you won't ceiling when I get up. Guys, she's running.
Alright, so with that, it gets the rate down to 11.24.
She going?
Yeah,
In a bath, I guess. Good. I tipped it.
okay, I was just at like,
Gonna be facing you, Rain Kitty. Gonna be watching you. Gonna be watching you while you're up there. Do you guys like watching her? Hey! Ow, Rainy up.
Alex is on it.
Now you're gonna tickle fight, Rainy. Okay.
This is Donna. Good. I don't know. Oh.
Yes. Put it right in this corner. Rainy, that's not a laser. Stop. Guys, if you're wondering what that is, it's actually her hand.
Right.
Guys, that's her hand hitting the screen.
The guarantor, it's their signature and title for the business signature.
Chicken,
Correct. Okay, guys, so this video is really funny, so it's definitely gonna be going fun. Yeah.
I got you. No, I'm on this side.
Well,
Guys, I literally have her like this, so I have to put the camera down. Going down.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Well, in that case, the only point is
Guys, sorry.
no.
Ready, get it? I got you. I got your neck. Her nose. Okay. Guys, she's being kind of bad right now.
Alright, thank you. You too.
Now she's mad. Oh, guys. Okay, guys. This video is gonna end in 3. Well, before I do that, you have to like and subscribe in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? Well, I don't have comments, so I can't do that. But, share this video if you did. Bye.